Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today's recipe, I'm going to be showing you how to make koose gawoou akara. So without wasting time, let's get started. So here I have my beans. I'm using black eye beans which I soaked overnight. And now I'll be using my vegetable oil for fry. I'm using sunflower oil. And then I have salt, onion, and pepper. So first I'm going to start by peeling the beans. I'm going to be peeling out the skin of the beans. So I just add my beans to the water. And I'm going to be using grater for washing these beans because it helps wash the beans faster. So I'm using the bigger size and the smaller size, and then I will just pick the beans and rub them together like so. So I've been washing this for about 7 to 8 minutes now. I'm just going to go ahead and drain out the water to remove the skin, or to separate the skin from the beans. So this process is very easy to do. You can do any process that you like. You can use your hand to wash them. So here we are, my beans is well washed, as you can see. I'm just going to go ahead and then slice or cut my onions and add them to the beans. And then the pepper, what I'm going to do is I'm going to remove the seed from the pepper because I don't want it very spicy. So I'm just going to go ahead to take off the seed. So at this point, what I'm going to do now, I'm just going to go ahead to add the beans, or transfer the beans to my blender. And I add water. And then I'm going to blend this until it is very, very smooth. So that is done, and I'll just transfer it to my bowl. And then I'll add in about 2 teaspoons of salt. And then I'm just going to go ahead and use my whisk to whisk these beans very well until it is very, very fluffy. So I have my oil already on the fire, and I'm just going to go ahead to start frying this koose or akara, and the Togolese also call it gawoou. So as you can see, because the beans is very, very fluffy, so the moment you add it to the water, it rises to the surface of the oil. But if it's not very fluffy, then it will sink, and then that will soak too much oil. So make sure you whisk your beans very well, your beans puree, whisk it very well when you are doing akara or gawoou, koose. That way it will not soak too much in the oil or the oil. So I'm frying this on a medium high because you want this to fry very slowly, so it will fry very well both in and out. If you make your fire too high, it means the out will be fried or it will get burned and the inside one will not be well fried. So I'm just flipping it over. And then I'll allow it to fry on the other side too until it is well fried till golden brown. So as you can see, it's ready, and I'm just going to go ahead to take it out the oil, and I'm going to repeat the same process until all is fried. So to all my subscribers, I want to say a very big thank you. I thank you all for supporting me. I really do appreciate. And if today is the first time of clicking to this channel, I say you are very welcome and thanks for clicking. Please do not forget to subscribe because it is free, absolutely free to subscribe. And then hit the notification bell. That way you'll be notified anytime I upload any video. So this one is also done. I'm done frying them, and I'm just going to also remove them from the oil. And this is the result. You can see they're looking so nice, very nice fried, and it's looking golden brown. And this is how you want to fry your koose, or this is how you want it to look like. So I hope you guys like this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, share, comment down below, and I will be seeing you all in my next one. Please remain blessed and stay safe. Bye.